I, JVN Preeti Singh, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic premises, design, construction and plant layout. किसी भी फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री एंड फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी की premises, design, layout and construction कैसा होना चाहिए. So students, we will discuss about this topic. Now we come to the premises. Principles. Premises must be located, designed, constructed and adapted and maintained for the operation. Now we come to some key points for the special requirement for the principle. Minimize risk of errors and cross contamination, permit effective cleaning, permit effective maintenance, minimize buildup of dirt and dust, eliminate any adverse effect on quality. Premises must be located to minimize risk of cross contamination. Example, not located next to a melting factory with high airborne level of mist. Premises. Arrival of the goods, visitor entrance and works entrance, shipment of the good. Proper premises layout created by the some specific parameter. First specific parameter is arrival of goods and next one is visitor entrance, third one is workers entrance and shipment of the goods. Material flow in the quality control and officers criteria, going, canteen, corridor, shipment, finished product storage, packaging unit, filling unit and processing unit, weighing unit, washing unit and machine shop, raw material and packaging storage unit. Is different types of units established in the particular premises. Premises facility, adequate space for the future expansion, joining laws to allow anticipated development, restricting undesirable developments in the pharmaceutical industry. Available of the water, quality and quantity, power, fuel, sewage and waste removal. Accessibility of the employee, material and visitors. Environmental issues such as site history, soil, water and air quality. Proximity of the undesirable activities likely to pollute, availability of sustainable labor force, people skills and wage expectations. Access to further education sources, ability to provide adequate security arrangements and political situation like government stability, trade policies and taxation. The site development of plan will be include complaints will appropriate laws and regulation and any additional company standard. Site resource and infrastructure. Infrastructure is very important for the establishment of particular premises. Site security and access, finance, building, utilities, equipments and safeties. Ancillary areas. Are also established in the particular premises or pharmaceutical industry. Rest and refreshment room should be separate from the manufacturing and control areas for the any microbial contamination. Facilities for changing and storing clothes and for washing and toilet purpose should be easily accessible and appropriate for the number of users. Toilet should be communicate directly with the production of storage areas. Maintenance workshop and animal house should be isolated from the areas with separate entrance, animal access and air handling facilities. Premises design is very clean and storage areas should be sufficient capacity and allow orderly storage of the various categories of the material and products with proper separation and separation. Storage areas should be designed and adapted, ensure good storage condition. In particular, they should be clean, dry sufficiently and maintained with acceptable temperature limit. Spatial storage condition provided, controlled, monitored and recorded appropriate areas. For the storage areas, receiving and dispatch batches should be separated and protected materials and product from the weather. Receiving areas should be designed and equipped for the allowed containers where quarantine status is ensured by the storage in separate areas. These areas must be clearly marked and their access restricted and authorized personnel. Print packaging material and adhesive require safe and secure storage for the premises using the weighing areas. Weighing areas are also established in the quality control and quality manufacturing unit. The weighing of the starting material and the estimation of yield by weighing should be carried out in separate weighing areas designed for that. Such areas may be part of the either storage or production areas. Now we come to the production areas. Production areas as follow good laboratory practices in order to minimize the risk of serious medical hazards due to cross-contamination, and dedicated and self-contained facility must be available for the production of particular pharmaceutical products. Premises, pipe work, lighting, ventilation, drains, effective ventilation is valid. Quality control areas, quality control laboratories should be separated from the production areas. Quality control laboratories should be designed to suit the operation be carried out to them. Premises are designed properly. Walls, floors, ceiling and services. Now we come to the typical finishes. Walls, warehouse painted, walls should be painted, and floors hardened and concrete sealed, epoxy covered. Dispensary. Premises services. What are the services of the premises? In the building design, provision must be made for the drain, water, steam, electricity and other services to allow for the ease of maintenance. Access should be possible with the disruption activities with the actual room provided for the services. Design and construction. Design and construction are very appropriated for the establishment of pharmaceutical industry. Any such building shall have adequate space for the orderly placement for equipment of the material, for the flow of the material and aseptic processing. Floor, walls, ceiling, smooth, hard surface that are easily cleanable. Temperature and humidity control for the humidity controller, and lighting, appropriate lighting for the defined amount of lighting, lux or food candles reaching the working surface for each area involved in the production of the pharmaceutical. Ventilation and air filtration, air heating and cooling is very important parameter for the premises, and adequate ventilation shall be provided. Air handling system should be considered the following factors: placement of air inlet and outlet ports, adequate precautions. Adequate precautions is very most important for the good premises. Plumbing is also the main procedure of the premises, and sewage and refuse. Product disposal. Any product requiring disposal should be initially be separated from its packaging if appropriate. Printed packaging disposal and general cloth sewage. Washing and toilet facilities. Adequate washing facilities shall be provided, including hot and cold water. Washing and toilet facilities should be provided for the best premises for the quality control and manufacturing unit. Any building used for the manufacturing process and packaging, sanitation procedures shall apply to work performed by the contractors. Now we come to the last point of the organization and personnel and layout. Premises design, construction and plant layout refers to the arrangement of the physical design and which flexibility it used to expansion, it used construction. So thank you, student.